What up, tube? So today is Thursday, May 3rd. Here at my house right now. Took a day off, man. I was burned out. Worked like 10 days straight. So today I took a day off. There's 3 guys at the shop, so I figured that was good enough. They've been really busy, but I've been checking in on them. They're good. You know, when you work that many days straight, guys, you get haircut illusions, haircut craziness. So I forced myself to take a day off today. It was nice. It feels good. It feels good to just be lounging around. It's 1 o'clock right now. I'm gonna take a quick shower, and me and my lady are gonna go head out for lunch. We're gonna go down to Porto. I don't know if you guys ever know what Porto is, but I'm gonna show you guys. Show you what we're gonna eat. Super bomb right there, seafood. So then I'm gonna put my drone up there, and I'm gonna show you guys what the West Coast looks like, the West Coast beaches. So that's in San Pedro. So we'll be out there in a little bit, and take you guys with me. All right. So late. Just got this in the mail today, guys. Look at this thing. You guys know about me and my Raiders, and about my hats. Check that bad boy out. Straight metal shield in the front and the back. Super slick. Go Raiders, baby. Go Raiders. This is a spot. If you guys never come here, if you come to California, this is where you want to come. Right here at the San Pedro fish market. Check it out, guys. Look at this. We're here for none of this. I bet.
No, none of it.
Let's see.
Look at what are scallops?
Scallops are like, those are
Pieces of fish?
pieces of fish, chunks of something or another of the ocean. We're getting that over there. Shrimp. Shrimp tray. World famous shrimp tray, guys. Damn, look at this, guys. That's what you call a shrimp tray right there. A shrimp tray. Look at this. Some music in the background. Shoo. My baby right here. Woo. Happy good day off to me. Here comes the enforcer.
Look at the big bird's going crazy on the other table. Look at the other ones coming.
Hurry up, grab your stuff before she comes.
They're stupid, they should. Look at the other one, he's getting close. They don't realize the plate's like open though.
It's me and my girl right here. We're about to send the drone up right here. Barber drone 3. San Pedro. See what you guys see what we can get up on here.